Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your XM account to MetaTrader 5 using your mobile phone. So if you want to start trading with your XM account inside the MT5 app, just follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. Once the app opens, make sure you're logged in. Now, look at the bottom left corner and tap Quotes. This will take you to a page showing different assets. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. This opens a menu. Here, tap on Manage Accounts at the top. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the search page where you can find your broker. This is where you can add or connect a trading account. You'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on it and type XM Global, and it will show up in the results. Select the XM broker. After that, choose the correct server for your XM account. You'll see different servers listed for your broker. You need to select the correct server for your account. To find this, check your broker account details. Once you know your server, tap on it. Now you'll see the login page. Enter your account number and password. Make sure the server is correct. If you want quicker access next time, you can also enable the option to save your password. Once everything is filled in, tap Login. And that's it. Your XM account is now successfully connected to MetaTrader 5, and you can start managing your trades directly from the app.